టుడే ది మోస్ట్ అసెన్షియల్ క్వాలిటీస్ ఒక విద్యార్థికి ఉండవలసిన ముఖ్యమైన లక్షణాలు ఏమిటంటే ప్యాషన్. యు సీ ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎ ప్యాషన్, what is a passion? Passion is an ardent desire or strong feeling of enthusiasm or excitement to learn something. Say, for example, you see today, you are interested in cricket. Nobody need to tell you. You will go to the playground and play because you have such a passion to play the cricket. So in a similar way, if you have passion for learning, so nobody need to tell you. You automatically get interest and you will learn something. If you see the State Council of Higher Education motto, the motto is జిజ్ఞాస కార్యవాహిక అని. Passion in Telugu is called జిజ్ఞాస. So the passion drives you to action. So each one of you should identify where, to become technically competent, you should join that domain where you have passion, where strong desire is there. So into that domain, suppose you join, naturally you gain lot of knowledge, you will become competent. So this is one first requirement. Every student should have that passion. Second one is focus. So what people require is, if you take a class of 40 or 50, though the same teacher is teaching, different people grasp at grasping levels are different.